Come test drive the 2021 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.